All right, so once you're finished with doing your HTML, CSS3, and Bootstrap page, what do you do next? Well, for parts B, C, and for part D of the web page project, you'll need to upload your files to a web host, okay, a server that allows you to post the files onto it that's publicly available on the internet. Fortunately, Sac State has the webpages.csus.edu page, and so I've already enabled my personal web page by going to this link, and now we're going to upload the files and content. Sac State recommends FileZilla. That's a fine FTP client. I'm happy to use that. There's others available as well. So we're going to open up FileZilla. We're going to go to this as our host. So I'm just going to copy that. Here's FileZilla. Put that in as the host. Type in my username. And hit quick connect. It'll ask us if the server certificate is okay. And here's the certificate. It's from Cal State Sacramento. It's from this company, organization, certificate authority. Things look good. We can either trust it always or ask every time, and so that's just fine. And so here's some, here's my remote folder, which again I've already put a whole bunch of stuff up there. And so over here I'm going to create a new directory. I'm going to call it, let's just do RB. So for root beer, and so we'll put RB over there. And I'm going to navigate to the folder that I've got all of my files in, okay, including my index file, my Captain Eli's, in this case, HTML file, all of my CSS files that I worked on, the fonts that we added, the images that we have, JavaScript, and you don't 100% need them, but you probably should put the README and the licensing in there. I'm going to take everything from that folder, and then I'm going to right click and upload, or click and drag over here, or where's the upload button on them? I don't know where the upload is over here. Anyway, we just need to upload those files over there. So I'm going to right click and upload, and it'll take a minute. It'll start crunching through here. It's got 35, 30 left. Everything's working so far so good. All right, transferred all of the files successfully. Everything's good. And so at this point in time, if everything's good, we can disconnect and we can go to the web and see if everything's working. So I'm going to type in webpages.csus.edu / and then my username, and then the name of the folder. In your case, you might have put it in the root folder, so you might not need this, but I put it in a folder. Now, by default, if there's an index.htm or .html file in there, most web servers will just bring up that file. So if I hit enter here, it should bring up that page, and everything works just great. Now, I also could have typed in index.html, and it would have brought up the exact same page. Okay, because those things, the browser considers those to be the same. And if we just double check, here's our Captain Eli's. Looks like that's working well. Everything's working well. Now the embed from Google is working, and everything is all well because we uploaded all of those files to our server. Okay, and that's it for part B.